Bender the greedy monkey. A monkey called Bender lived in the woods near the small town. One day, Bender was bored and decided to go into the town. Bender went to a bakery and saw 30 beautiful cookies. He saw a cookie and ate it. It was good. He ate more and more cookies. The baker saw Bender and chased him. You greedy little monkey, he cried. Now there are only 50 cookies. Bender ran out the tree and hid in the leaves. When he looked down, he saw 60 small carrots in a garden. When the gardener was looking, Bender ran down the tree, dug out a carrot, and ate it. It was good. He ate more and more carrots. The gardener saw Bender and chased him. You greedy little monkey, now there are only 44 carrots. Bender went to a restaurant and saw 42 sausages. He stole a sausage and ate it. It was good. He ate more and more sausages. The cook saw Bender and chased him. You greedy little monkey, now there are only 30 sausages. Bender stole food all over the town. Everyone was angry. They tried to catch Bender, but he was too fast. Then the candy maker had an idea. The next day, Bender went to the candy store. He saw 2 big jars of candy in every color, and it all looked good. Bender put his hands in the jars and grabbed 20 pieces of candy, but he couldn't get the candy off of the jars. The candy maker ran in. You greedy little monkey, let go of the candy and you can run away. So did Bender let go of the candy? No, he didn't, and the candy maker caught him. He took him back to the woods and told him never to come to town again.